Monsoon session saw pandemonium in the parliament. The opposition, which had claimed that it was silenced in the parliament yesterday, began the day with sloganeering in the house. The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha were adjourned within minutes of convening. The opposition raised their concerns on the EC's exercise in Bihar and said that the government was muzzling their voices. Despite the government's appeal yet again that it was ready to debate any issue, the ruckus continued, leading to adjournment yet again.
मेरी प्रार्थना है, विपक्ष से भी मैं प्रार्थना करता हूं, किसानों के सवाल को आने दे, हम जवाब देने को तैयार हैं। हम माननीय सांसद का जवाब तो देंगे ही, लेकिन सदन के माध्यम से हम किसानों के बीच सरकार की योजना रखना चाहते हैं। माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, आज का दिन किसानों का दिन है, कम से कम खेती पर चर्चा होने दीजिए, किसानों पर चर्चा होने दीजिए, गांव गरीब पर चर्चा होने दीजिए। मेरी प्रार्थना है माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय।
माननीय सदस्यगण, आज प्रश्नकाल पर देश के किसानों के मुद्दों पर चर्चा होनी है, उनके आपदा संकट पर चर्चा होनी है। आप प्रश्नकाल नहीं चलने देना चाहते, आप किसानों के मुद्दों पर चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते, आप हंगामा करने तख्तियां लेकर आएंगे। ये सदन की परंपराओं के अनुरूप नहीं है। मेरा आप सबसे आग्रह है, अपनी अपनी सीट पर जाएं, बैठें और किसानों के महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों पर चर्चा करें, ताकि हम देश के किसान के कल्याण के विषय पर व्यापक चर्चा सदन में कर सकें। माननीय सदस्यगण, ये सदन चर्चा संवाद के लिए, नारेबाजी के लिए नहीं है। आप सदन की मर्यादा को बना करके तख्तियां लेकर मैं अलाउ नहीं करूंगा। सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Now, moments after the adjournment, the opposition put up a united front. The sea of opposition leaders protested at Makardwar in the parliament premises, protesting and carrying placards. Their placards were against the Bihar Special Intensive Revision, calling it the death of democracy and vote chori.
The protest by opposition has begun at Makardwar of the parliament. The opposition is protesting against special intensive revision which is being undertaken by the election commission in the state of Bihar just before the polls. The opposition has been saying this, that this particular special intensive revision will take away the rights of various communities, specifically the minorities and the backward classes, and hence it is an exercise which is being undertaken by the election commission on the behest of the BJP. So these are the serious allegations that are being leveled by the opposition, and as we speak we see that how various opposition party MPs, irrespective of their party, they have come over here and they are protesting, raising slogans against SIR and raising slogans against Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the NDA government. They also say that this particular exercise will not just stop in Bihar. This particular exercise will be undertaken in West Bengal and other election-bound states, and in the end, just to benefit the BJP, the voters which vote usually for the opposition parties, their votes will be cancelled. So clearly we see massive protest by the opposition party over here. Now we know for a fact that how the Mahagathbandhan led a huge protest rally in Bihar. So from roads to parliament, the opposition is taking this issue and they are basically saying that this exercise should be rolled back.
Now, the opposition demanded a discussion on the issue, alleging that the SIR exercise will lead to many voters losing their right to vote.
The opposition parties are protesting at Makardwar against the special intensive revision, and these are the visuals from Makardwar. You can see that how Rahul Gandhi, another senior leader of the opposition parties, Akhilesh Yadav, A. Raja, Dharmendra Yadav, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, they are all protesting at the Makardwar. Now, the opposition has been saying this, that the election commission has undertaken the exercise of SIR to cut the vote of the people coming on from the minority community and from the backward classes, and perhaps that is why they say that this particular exercise should not be undertaken, and they also say that Election Commission is working on the behest of the BJP to cut out the votes of the opposition party. So a massive protest over here. What we see is that Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Akhilesh Yadav, Kanni Modi, all the senior leaders of the opposition parties are present in this particular protest, and they have been saying this, that it's not just Bihar, but this exercise will not stop with Bihar. This exercise will go on in West Bengal and other states, which will in the end benefit the BJP. So clearly a massive protest over here against the SIR. The government has been saying this, that what exactly is the issue with the opposition parties if the SIR is being conducted and the names of illegal immigrants, Rohingyas, are being cut off from the electoral roll. So clearly massive politics from roads to parliament. We see the protest happening, and the opposition says that they are against the SIR.
Remember, on day one, the opposition had claimed that they were not even given an opportunity to raise their issues in the parliament on Monday. The opposition was also back to its usual charge that they were not allowed to speak in the parliament.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसी को वोट नहीं डालने देना चाहती, और बिहार में जिस तरीके की कार्रवाई चल रही है, इसी तरह उत्तर प्रदेश में जानबूझ करके भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने इलेक्शन कमीशन से मिलकर के और प्रशासन के सहारे बड़े पैमाने पर वोट काटे थे, डिलीटेड शो किया था। और जिस समय हम लोगों ने आपत्ति की और आरोप लगाया तो उन्होंने हमें नोटिस दिया। नोटिस के जवाब में मैंने खुद समाजवादी पार्टी से सभी लोगों ने, कार्यकर्ताओं ने, नेताओं ने मिलकर के 18,000 जिन्होंने वोट डाले थे बाद में डिलीटेड कर दिया था उनका, और वो वहीं थे, जिंदा थे, लेकिन 18,000 का विद एफिडेविट इलेक्शन कमीशन को जानकारी दी, लेकिन किसी भी अधिकारी के खिलाफ कभी कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई है। और बूथ पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग पता नहीं कौन सी मशीन रखते हैं कि अगर आपको वोटर आईडी चाहिए जो आपका इलेक्शन कमीशन बनाता है वो 5 मिनट बना देते हैं, आधार कार्ड चाहिए जिसको वो 5 मिनट बना देते हैं।
It's not only opposition parties which have been saying that SIR should be stopped immediately. It's the common citizen of this country, the poor, the Dalit, the tribal, the backward community, the EBCs, and the minorities. You know, you are confining the entire process to 11 documents. The saturation level of these documents in Bihar, which is the most document deficient state. We went to the Election Commission. They did not listen to us. They heard us out, but did not listen to us. We have moved to the court also. Probably, I think a good sense should prevail that the chaotic situation which we see all across Bihar, that's a moment in, say, our democracy, where one man, one vote, one value is being denigrated.
See, I view the SIR, the Special Intensive Revision, to Jim Crow laws, which were prevalent in America during the days of segregation, where they used those laws to disenfranchise people of color. I believe this SIR is going to be used to disenfranchise people from marginalized communities, particularly the minorities.
All right, with that, it's time for a short break. News and updates continue on the other side.